So, you won't believe what just happened. I'm going to show you guys something that's weird. I guess you guys see. Bruh. This is such a weird thing that would happen. Come on. So I'm outside currently. Can you guys see that? You guys cannot, basically. You see that little dog right there? Yeah, that's our dog. I don't know where my mom is, but she's going to chase him. Guys, I know this is a lot weirder in person. I can actually see it. I need 2 times more shadow for you guys to see it. He's literally looking at my tablet right now. God, this is so much cleaner in person. Penny. Bruh. Guys, look how far I have to zoom in. That's 4 times the zoom in for you guys to even see him. He's walking that way at the time. You guys will mostly be a zoom in now. Dude, my pig is the weirdest pig. Where is that? And he strikes the landing. My mom's currently driving down there. There! Come on, buddy. I'm 4 times the zoom in. Guys, I bet you guys can't even see it. Oh, you guys can. Okay, now you guys can. See. Okay, look. He's heading up. Okay. So that's good. I've lost sight of him. Should I edit that license plate out? Can you guys even read what that license plate says? I think it's blurred out. Alright guys, I might have to put you guys down. You guys are tilting. Look guys. You guys are about to fall. If you guys fall, I'd have to claim insurance on this tablet. Okay? No, but like seriously, where's the dog? Oh, guys, I found the dog. Can I pet that dog? Can I pet that dog? Can you guys see that? Maybe I'll just move over here for you guys to see. Oh, you guys can see him now. Yeah, he's actually not that far. We'll still have to zoom in. Guys, there is no edits in this video other than that one part in the intro. But other than that, this is a completely normal video. Oh, dude, I can't even see my dog now. I want to raise the spirits. Okay, guys. 4, 3. Guys, this is 3 times the zoom in. Wait, can you guys actually see the license plate if I zoom out? Hopefully you guys cannot. Bruh. Alright, we're going through the house. Oh, this is no cutouts. This is like live. And you guys will be seeing all of this. So, we were making cards for Father's Day. Might be card related. We're gonna go. Well, what brings you here?
Were you filming me?
Yes. Did you see it?
I could hear you.
How could you hear me?
I could hear you talking, and I was like, he's either talking to Joe or he's filming me.
Yeah, I'm filming this video. Okay. This is no cutouts. Once again. Huh? Oh. That took 5 minutes and 41 seconds, Mom.
Yeah. Alright, let's go back to what we were doing.
All right, bye.